In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the form builder on Monday.com. This quick guide will walk you through the essential steps to create, customize, and share forms using Monday.com's powerful form builder tool. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Monday.com by using your preferred web browser. Once you've navigated to the site, look for the login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll be given the option to log in using a variety of methods. For this demonstration, we'll go ahead and click on the Google option. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account. Just choose the account you'd like to use, and you'll soon be logged into your Monday.com workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate your board. This is where all your data and tasks are organized. Simply go to your board by selecting it from the board list provided on your dashboard. After your board loads, take a look at the top of the page where you'll find the Form option. Click on this button as it will direct you to the form building feature that's integrated within Monday.com. With the form builder open, you have a couple of choices, but today we're opting for a fresh start. So click on Start from Scratch. This will create a new blank form for you to work with, laying the foundation for what's to come. Here you'll see a straightforward interface displaying your form. It may look simple at the moment, but it's ready for customization. To begin creating your form, click on Edit Form. This is where the magic happens, providing you the flexibility to tailor your form precisely to your needs. You can add text, input a company logo, insert questions, and customize labels, all by using the intuitive editing tools provided. Take advantage of these features to ensure your form meets the required specifications and aesthetics. Once you've completed your customizations and are satisfied with your form, the next step is crucial: sharing your creation with others. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see Share Form. Click on this, and you'll be presented with the sharing options. To share, you'll simply need to click on Copy Link. This copies the link to your clipboard, allowing you to paste and share it with teammates, customers, or anyone else who needs access to your new form. And that's it. You now know how to use Monday.com's form builder to create, customize, and share forms quickly and efficiently. Remember, the key is to explore and get comfortable with the tools available to you within Monday.com. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to explore more features to maximize your project management experience on Monday.com.